You know, Roxy and the animals and I are having so much fun playing music with you. Yeah! We should make a band!
What's a band?
A band is when you form a special group with others to play music together with.
Oh, that sounds like fun!
Wow! Yeah, it does sound fun. Alright, here we go. Everybody grab your instrument and come play. Kids, you two at home, grab what instrument you're gonna play and come join us. Okay, everybody gather around. We're gonna make a fun song together. Okay, here we go. Ready? 1, 2, ready, go! Well, that was about as pleasing as a trip to the vet. Okay, everyone. Now let's try this again. And this time we're really gonna listen to each other. So that way we can work together and match up our patterns.
We're gonna use teamwork.
That's right, we are gonna use teamwork. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. There we go. All right, now we'll all listen to each other. So that way we can work together and match up our patterns. Very good. Keep playing. All right, here we go. Now let's all play together. Yeah! Okay, now everyone, let's take turns playing a solo.
Dad, what's a solo?
A solo is where all the musical instruments take turns playing a musical pattern. Here, I'll go first. All right, now animals, you go. All right, kids, now home, you play. All right, now let's all play together! Yeah! Okay, now we're gonna go take turns playing solos again, but we're gonna go faster this time. We'll play, and then you can play at home, and then we'll play, and then you can play at home. All right, here we go. Let's see if you can keep up. We'll start. Ready, go. All right, now kids at home, you play. Now we'll play. Now you play. Now we'll all play. Woo! All right, kids. Now it's time to play our Happy Day song. So grab your instruments and here we go. 1, 2, ready, go!
Happy day, oh happy day. Gonna have some fun on this happy day. Happy, happy, happy day. Gonna play my music in every